Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 27th of September, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since late September 2024, our system has rated Microsoft as a hold or accumulate, assigning a score of negative 0.19. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows a loss of negative 0.76% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.38% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $435.63 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it could also serve as the first indication of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of 6.87% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 18.24% to negative 5.21%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 24.53% over the next year, with a possible return between 18.55% and 42.64%. This would translate to a price range of $507.43 to $610.53 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Microsoft stock price down 0.763% on Friday. The Microsoft stock price fell by 0.763% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 27th of September, 2024. The price decreased from $431.31 to $428.02. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 1.02%, reaching a low of $427.47 and a high of $431.83. The stock has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, with an overall drop of 0.6% during this time frame. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be interpreted positively as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 28,000 shares, totaling 14 million shares exchanged for approximately $5.9 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $468.35, while the lowest was $311.22. Currently, the stock price is 8.61%, or $40.33, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft's recent strategic moves could significantly impact its stock trajectory in both the short and long term. Today, the company secured a 20-year nuclear energy agreement with Constellation Energy, marking a groundbreaking shift in how technology firms engage in energy markets. This partnership not only diversifies Microsoft's energy sources, but also positions it to power its artificial intelligence operations more sustainably, potentially reducing costs and increasing efficiency over time. Furthermore, Microsoft announced an investment of $2.7 billion in Brazil, aimed at enhancing its cloud infrastructure and artificial intelligence capabilities. This commitment underscores the company's determination to expand its global footprint in emerging markets, which could attract investors and drive long-term growth. In the realm of cybersecurity, a collaboration between Microsoft and Calian will deliver scalable, cloud-native solutions just as Cybersecurity Awareness Month begins. As firms prioritize digital security, this initiative may bolster Microsoft's reputation and increase demand for its cloud services. However, Microsoft must navigate challenges, such as ongoing scrutiny over antitrust allegations from Google, which could create headwinds in its operations within the European Union. Additionally, the investigation related to data security concerns on its Xbox platform could potentially raise regulatory or reputational risks. Overall, these developments reflect Microsoft's ongoing commitment to innovation and sustainability, which may enhance its attractiveness to investors and strengthen its market position both now and in the future. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, September 26, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Microsoft a rating of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, September 23, 2024, it was reported that Raymond James rated Microsoft as market perform, issuing a downgrade. On the same day, Monday, September 23, 2024, Piper Sandler also assigned Microsoft a neutral rating with a downgrade recommendation. On Tuesday, September 17, 2024, Deutsche Bank rated Microsoft as a buy with a recommendation to hold. Lastly, on Wednesday, September 4, 2024, Wells Fargo assigned Microsoft an overweight rating along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Microsoft stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. In contrast, there is a buy signal emerging from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $432.58. Conversely, if the stock declines, it is expected to find support from the long-term average at around $420.24. A breakout above the short-term average would generate a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also surfaced, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 5, 2024, during which the stock has increased by 8.32%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased, along with the price during the last trading session, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 39 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $418.35. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.36 between its high and low, which represents 1.02%. In the previous week, the stock had an average daily volatility of 1.32%. Before we delve into the potential favorable trading levels for Microsoft, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. Firstly, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is fairly typical, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts have consensus estimates set at $3.08. It is wise to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft stands at $428.90. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already shareholders, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $418.35. If this support level remains intact, it might serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of September, 2024, Numoto Teishi made an insider purchase of 8,511 shares of common stock. On the same day, young Christopher David conducted an insider purchase of 8,990 shares of common stock. Also on the 16th of September, 2024, Smith Bradford L. made an insider purchase of 23,374 shares of common stock. On that day, Hood Amy similarly purchased 23,374 shares of common stock. Finally, on the same day, Hogan Kathleen T. conducted an insider purchase of 7,912 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 6.831. In total, insiders purchased 543,109 shares and sold 488,476 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $403.97, reflecting a decline of 5.62%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 59 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Microsoft exhibits several encouraging signals. However, these do not seem sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it would be wise to consider it as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 30th of September, we anticipate that Microsoft will open at $1.09 and begin trading at $429.11. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This presentation showcases our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.